Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to boil water in your XIAOMI electric kettle 2 Pro. First, make sure to fill it in with water. Once you press on this button on the handle, it will open the lid. Then you can remove the kettle and fill it in with water. On the inside, there are 3 different lines. You can see one of them is visible on camera right now. The other ones are less visible. The one on the very bottom is the minimum level. That's half a liter. And you should not put less water than half a liter because it may burn the kettle. It may destroy the kettle. Then the middle line is about a liter, I believe. And then the top line is the maximum level. You should also not overfill it. So 1.7 liters is the maximum, and that's where you should keep it at. Then put it on the base. Of course, the base has to be plugged into power. And then you can click on the boil button on the right side. Once you tap on it, it will start boiling the water. And then it will beep once it's finished. It also displays the current temperature of the water. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.